Hi everyone, from today onwards we are starting SAP Core ABAP. So in this course we'll learn about mm, hmm. So in this Core ABAP we'll learn about these things. So please have a look at this. Take a look. We'll see about the key architectures, the intro ABAP force. You can see the selection scripts, message handling, data dictionaries. We'll see about reports, transactions, BDCs, LSMWs, SAP scripts, smartphone. So yeah, this is the syllabus. And we'll see the real-time scenarios based on this syllabus. Okay. So inside this core ABAP, we'll learn about the RICEF. So what is the RICEF means? R stands for reports, I stand for interfaces, C stands for conversions, E stands for enhancements, and F stands for forms. So basically these are the things which an ABAP develops. Okay, so whatever we develop inside SAP, inside ABAP, we call it as objects. They are programs, but we call them as objects. Okay, so these are the objects we are going to study. Also, if the time permits, I'll also teach you about OOPS, that is object oriented programming in ABAP. Okay, because yeah, to learn these things you don't need any OOPS knowledge, but an ABAP developer cannot survive without the knowledge of OOPS, because in the newer versions all of the things are moving on OOPS ABAP. Okay, they are based on OOPS ABAP, like the baddies, BAPIs. So the advanced concept which comes under core applications are based on ABAPs, and you also require OOPS ABAPs to learn the new concept, new versions. Hmm. So this is our syllabus. Don't worry, we'll learn a lot of things here. But to learn this core ABAP, it requires almost 45 to 50 hours. I'm not considering days, but hours. Okay, 45 to 50 hours. And the prerequisite is you don't have a prior knowledge of any programming language, but if you have programming knowledge, that is beneficial. But if you don't have, don't worry, we'll starting this course for beginners. Okay, so if you are a complete beginner, this course is for you. If you are a working professional as a functional consultant, yes, you can increase your knowledge. And if you are a ABAPer, just look if you get any new concept, if there is something you want to learn. Okay, so these are the things. So I have just made this video just to show you the contents about this course. So yeah, okay, so we'll see in the next video. Please like, subscribe our channel, and our target is just 10 likes. Okay, if this video gets 10 likes, I'll upload 2 videos starting from introduction and yeah, introduction and introduction to ABAP 4 with some programs also. Okay, see you then.